Hey, I want to share with you this nifty little compact sewing kit. Now, I do a lot of traveling, and it's inevitable that when you're traveling, you get find a hole in something or buttons missing, and you're always scrounging around for something to fix it with, especially safety pins or things like that. This is a nice little compact sewing kit for your RV, your van, camping, traveling, or just even at home if you need something to keep organized. So let me show you what you get in this kit. So it comes nice and zippered up, and inside of it, look at all these colors. So you get several different, I think it's 18. Now you can buy a bigger one if you'd like, but this one is great for traveling. And you don't get just a little bit, you get quite a bit of thread on that. And there's 18 different colors, I believe. And you also get, oh, who doesn't need this? Little magnifying glass to see what you're looking for. Scissors and a pack of needles. And then in here, this little red thing is a needle threader. You stick it through the eye of the needle and then you put your thread through it. Really helpful, especially when you have a hard time seeing things. And, plenty of safety pins and a tape measure. You can always use a tape measure when you're traveling. And this is a seam ripper and some snaps. And I'm not really sure. This is awfully big, but I'm not really sure exactly what that's for. And I'm a sewer, so I'm not exactly sure. This is a perfect little kit, and it will definitely be in my travel gear. And that's just my honest opinion.
If you liked this video and found it helpful, how about helping this old grandma YouTuber out and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up? I'd really appreciate it.